Orca, the mighty hunter of the ocean. Welcome to the world of the most powerful hunters in the ocean, the orca, also known as the killer whale. Orcas are intelligent and powerful marine animals known for their incredible hunting abilities and cooperative strategies when hunting in packs. They can hunt schools of fish, seals, and even large whales. With speeds reaching up to 56 kilometers per hour, orcas are not just apex predators, but also one of the most fearsome creatures in the ocean. They symbolize strength, intelligence, and harmony in the wild. Fascinated by the wild world of orcas? Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so you never miss an exciting video. Thank you for watching.